First, you get their attention and get big smiles on their faces.
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 12th annual Clunkorama. We'll give you $10,000 in trade on any vehicle you can drive, tow, or push into Carlisle Auto Mall. Roll the fine print, boys. How you gonna beat that?
Then, you give them your deal that's going to be beaten by who?
Nobody.
Atzenhofer. How you going to beat that?
Now how can you beat a place that always saves you money? Now how can you beat a place that treats you like a friend? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? Now you're driving an Atzenhofer Chevy. How you gonna beat that?
Hey, it's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Cream Pufferama. If we don't have the best used car deals in town, may lightning strike me down. Whoa! We don't care if you got bad credit. We don't care if you got a prison record. You come to Carlisle and pay cash. How you gonna beat that?
Reynolds Ford. How you gonna beat that?
Hey, it's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Cream Pufferama. How you gonna beat that?
Here's a special 18-second donut hole for a special used car sales event.
Reynolds Ford. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 8th annual Trailerama. Come register to win a solid chrome double wide with the pop-out gun room. And folks, here's a mobile homeowner's tip of the week. If all the canned goods have rolled to one end of your cabinet and the water in your toilet looks crooked, you got a flat tire. Come register to win. How you gonna beat that?
Hagerstown Kia. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 1st annual Gallbladderama. Mine had to go, and so do 200 new vehicles. My son's Squirrel.
200 new vehicles must go.
Save like never before. Touch my scar, get a car. How you gonna beat that?
I-75 Pearson Automotive. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 7th annual Slimorama. Want a small car? Can't fit in one? Carlisle's is giving out free liposuction with every new compact car, performed in the comfort and privacy of our number 2 Lubrac. How you gonna beat that?
Mid-City Ford Subaru. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 8th annual Savorama. How you gonna beat that?
Another 18-second donut hole for new or used.
Champion. How you gonna beat that?
It's Carlisle Auto Mall's 10th annual, 12th annual New Car Savorama. You zoom in? Zoom in a little more? Okay. I'm gonna say low prices, high trades, everything must go, yada, fada, fada.
Daddy, the camera's running.
Hi. How you gonna beat that?
Reynolds Ford. How you gonna beat that?
How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that? How you gonna beat that?